Welcome back to the channel. Right, as you know, in the update video I did recently, Tom H asked me if I would show him what computer I use, what camera I use and the software, etc. So I thought, why not just give you a quick tour guide of how I film and put my rambles together. So I'm filming this on a Nikon D5600. This is a relatively new camera, which is a DSLR, and I'm recording on that one on a D5200. So now I have two DSLRs, which does come in right handy. That's why you're getting multiple angles now. I'm recording the sound on a Zoom H4n, as you can see there. I do intend to get myself a nice shotgun mic to hang over the top, and they plug straight in the back. This little thing is amazing. Not only has it got two little mics on the end there, you can plug multiple sound stuff in. It's like a little mixing desk, really good. But I do intend to get, you know, the arm with a shotgun mic to get better audio, and when I hold the albums up I don't lose my voice. I use this little switchy on a tripod there for me key light, basically, as you can see. That's me key light, and depending on what mood I'm in, sometimes I might have a little bit of like backlight coming over just to cast a little bit of light, just to make it look a little bit more interesting. And I've got multiple lenses that I use. I tend to like to do the face on. I'm using the kit lens at the moment, but I like to use my 50mm, and I like to take the f-stop right down, see a nice bit of blur in the background. You notice when I'm doing the vinyl first plays now, I'm sat at the table and the lights and all that in my lounge are quite blurred out in the background, and that's how I like it. Just make, sorry about the that's another thing I have to contend with. I do have a load of these, obviously, to try and mute the sound out a little bit. I have a whole bunch of them in the garage from where I had the Ramble room, and new people to the channel probably won't remember the Ramble room unless they see it. And guys, I may be getting that room back, but I'll save that for another day. I don't want to get ahead of myself, but things are looking promising, and you know how excited I'd be to go back up there. Right, so so that's dum. Right, so two cameras, the sound, and like I said, my little switty key light on a tripod, so you can just manoeuvre it about. I mean, it's so easy and portable. You know, you can do whatever you want with it, you know, create different light, etc, etc, etc. So that's what I use generally to film on. Obviously different backgrounds around your house, etc. Right, now the computer I use is just a Windows 10 machine. I had it quite a while now. It's actually becoming a little bit old, and I probably need to get a new one. As you can see, I've got 3 monitors. I think it's like 16 gig of RAM, quad core. I can't really remember all the spec of it. I suppose we could have a look, but I need to upgrade this anyway. And the software I use to edit the videos is Adobe Premiere Pro, which I pay for each month, which is about 20 quid a month, something like that. And that gives you all the video editing software, so you can do bits and pieces, as well as Photoshop and Lightroom. So I'll import maybe the thumbnail, you know, or whatever I'm doing. I'll import that into Lightroom, adjust how I want the colours to look, etc, etc, and I may take that into Photoshop to put, like, you know, the update thumbnail, for instance. On the last video I did, you'll see the word update is behind me. They're all done in Photoshop. I use Photoshop quite a lot, you know, when I'm doing my wiki bit, I have to cut things out. You'd be quite surprised how much work goes into them things. Is there anything else I need to tell you? I use my Sennheiser headphones when I'm editing to try and get the vocals just nice. But yeah, that's kind of the whole process. My computer, what software, Adobe Premiere Pro, and the cameras. They're both Nikons, or Nikon, we call them over here. I think in the States they call them Nikon, whatever. So yeah, I've got a new 5600, which I'm delighted about, and my old trusty that I've done most of my rambles on, the D5200. That's what I'm filming that one on over there, just to show you the equipment. But that's normally how I'd sort of set it up. So as you're looking at me, you can see a little bit of colour in the background, and I'm lit up quite well, etc, etc. Not perfect because I haven't got my glasses on and I've been moving this around like Harry Potter's wand. But yeah, that's kind of how I do them. I hope you like the tour, Tom. I know it was short, but I only wanted to make it short. I'll be working on the Wicker Man later on today, guys, getting me vinyl first plays, or vinyl plays, on track and back in order. Hopefully get them nice and short as well. Right, anyway, if you like this sort of thing, give it a thumbs up. All them lovely things that us YouTubers ask. We have to, otherwise the algorithm would just bury it. My brother's not even seeing my videos. He subscribes to me. He's not even seeing them pop up now. So the algorithms definitely just do something. But we're working on it and we'll try and get it sorted anyway. Right, much love, people. I'll be back with another ramble real soon. Take care.